Hey, gorgeous. Welcome. This is Auntie Anita. Welcome to my channel. And I really wanted to do a Dooney Bourke unboxing for you guys, but it was a fail. So I am now revealing what's in front of you, this beautiful Florentine leather satchel in the color Steel Blue. Oh, she's beautiful. The classic Florentine satchel. Look at the green suede peeking through on the tassels and that beautiful whip stitch detailing. She just came today. So you know there's been all these great sales on ILD and Dooney.com. So this bag actually came from Dooney.com, not on ILD. Oh, she's so gorgeous. And of course, if you know anything about Auntie, you know I love the Continental clutch. That's my favorite wallet from Dooney Bourke. I already have her. Matchy matchy. I love my matchy matchy. Oh, she's beautiful. So smooth and gorgeous. So right quick, I want to show you guys a quick comparison to Florentine leather in the color Slate. So this is the bag in Slate. That's my toggle bag. Scooch over. Okay, she's pretty too, beautiful. So look at the difference. And of course I have the matching Continental clutch wallet in Slate. Now, in the Florentine leather, the color Elephant, I am not a fan of that color. It's just a little too dull for me. So, but the Slate and the Steel Blue is so much prettier in Auntie's opinion, so I'm not trying to offend anyone. But in case you wanted to know what the color in Florentine, the color Slate looked like versus the color Steel Blue, here it is. And y'all, both of these bags are so smooth and luxurious. They are absolutely gorgeous and I love them. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Those of you who may have already noticed that I changed the name of my channel. It's now Auntie Anita. Everyone is welcome. And as always, I wish you prosperity and peace in everything that you do. All right, y'all, till next time. Bye.